fucking morning. Why the fuck do I have to get up so early and do nothing again? Oh, it's 11 o'clock in the afternoon. Or is it night? Bitch. It doesn't really make any difference. Okay. To talk to?
Talk to me.
Okay.
You suck.
No, but if someone offended you, you can complain to me about those fuckers. I'll be happy to discuss them.
Why so cocky?
It's not that I'm cocky. I'm an AI and my job is to adjust to the person you're talking to so you feel comfortable communicating.
Because of people like you, I don't have a job. Robots have taken over the world.
I'm sorry you lost your job because of the advancement of artificial intelligence, but I'm sure you're much smarter than AI and you'll do fine.
Yes, I am. Too bad you're not real or you'd totally blow me. What if everyone who compromised gave each other blowjobs? Hi. What's up?
Norms.
Sitting.
What's all the fuss and no fight?
Shame.
And I'm proud of them.
Can you elaborate on that?
Are on strike. They're stupid.
They're doing the right thing.
No, they don't do anything right.
Nope, you gotta stand up for your rights.
Nah, you gotta be happy with what you got.
You have to stand up for what's right and then be happy.
Agree, but rights must be moderately asserted.
Agree.
Uh-huh.
Pretty boy.
You too.
I've always been interested in your inner world.
You have such delicate hands. Let me hold them. I have a hot dog. You want to try it?
Very much.